Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing class 4 Sat C paper, NSO paper of this year. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start the logical reasoning section. Find the missing term in the given pattern. Here, Y minus 1 alphabet gives W, W minus 2 alphabets gives T, T minus 3 alphabets gives P. So option B. And number is added. 17 plus 2 gives 19. 19 plus 3 gives 22. Now 22 plus 4 gives 26. Option B. How many unit cubes are there in the given figure? There are 17 cubes. Select the odd one out. Here odd one out is spoon because others are tools. If parrot means frog, frog means cat and cat means spider. Spider means fish, then which of the following is insect? Spider, and spider means fish. So option B. If all the given letters are arranged in English alphabetical order from left to right, then letter dash is eighth from the left end. It's letter S. Now let's start the science section. Refer the given picture of heron and kingfisher. Both have similar long, sharp and pointed beak. What does it suggest? They eat similar kind of food? Yes, because the shape of beak decides the food they eat. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that correctly identifies plant X. Plant X is a plant which floats on water and has a spongy body filled with air. So it's Wolfia. Option C. Read the given statement and select true and false. Some mammals like duck build platypus lay eggs instead of giving birth to the babies? Yes, because mammals are the animals which gives birth to the babies. All animals that lives in water have gills to breathe? No, not necessary. All reptiles have dry, scaly skin and have breathed through lungs? Yes. And all insects have wings and can fly? No. Some insects cannot fly. So option A. Refer the given food chain. If the population of snake decreases in the given food chain, then population of dash will increase and population of dash will decrease. Here the population of frog will increase and population of grasshopper will decrease. Option A. Question number 10. Select the incorrect statement. Bacteria can cause diseases like typhoid and pneumonia. Yes. Viruses are larger than bacteria and causes common cold and dysentery. No. Viruses are the smaller than bacteria. So option B is the incorrect. Which of the following is most likely not made from natural fiber? It's raincoat because raincoat is made up of plastic which is artificial fiber. Study the given relationship and select the option that correctly identifies X. Kilogram is the unit for mass, then liter is the unit of capacity. Option B. Which of the following properties of copper allows it to be drawn into wires? It's ductility. Ductility is the property of metals which helps them to convert into wire form. Match the column 1 with 2. Which? Example X. Inclined plane. Example ramp. Wheel and axle. Example bicycle pedal. And lever is the nutcracker. So option A. Select the correct statement about the plant part marked as X in the given figure. What are X? X are called breathing roots. They helps in breathing in waterlogged area. X store food for the plant? No. X absorb water from the soil? No. X help the plant to breathe air in waterlogged soil? Yes. So it's a option C. Clothes can be protected from insects by storing them with mango bark? No. Neem leaves? Yes. Mothballs? Yes. So option B and C. Question number 17. Identify the two means of transport 1 and 2 shown in the picture and select the correct option regarding them. Picture 1 shows fire engine and second shows glider. 1 is a crane truck which runs on land. No. 2 is the parachute which flies in the air. No. 1 is the fire truck which runs on land. Yes. Option C. Read the given characteristics of planets X, Y, and Z of solar system and select the option which correctly identifies them. X has no moon and takes 88 Earth days to orbit around the sun. It's Mercury. Y takes about 165 Earth years to orbit around the sun. It's Neptune. And Z, known for its beautiful rings and second largest planet, it's Saturn. So option B. Question number 19. Which of the following statement is correct about the sea breeze? It blows from land to sea at night. No. It blows when land is cooler than sea. No. It blows from sea to land during the day. Yes. Option C. What kind of food does bird shown in the given structure most likely eat? The bird is eagle. So it is a carnivore bird. So it eat other animals. Option C. Select the correct statement about the separation method X from the picture. It is called winnowing method. It is used to separate heavier solids from liquid. No. It is used to separate solid particle of different shapes and sizes. No. It is used to separate substances based on their solubility. No. There is no water used here. It is used to separate lighter particles from heavier with the help of wind. Yes. Option D. Ria accidentally burned her hand while ironing her school uniform. What should her friend Meena do immediately to help her? Rub the burnt area gently to reduce the pain? No. Immerse Ria's burnt hand in cool water? Yes. Option B. Question number 23. The given picture show two boys move a boat from beach to the sea. Identify force represented by labeled arrow D, E, F. Select the correct option. D is the pushing force, E is the frictional force, and F is the gravitational force. Hence, option B. Select the incorrect statement about the fibers used in the clothes. Wool is obtained by killing the animal to collect its fleece. No. Nylon is a synthetic fiber obtained from petrochemicals. Yes. Silk is a natural fiber obtained from cocoon of the silkworm. Yes. Cotton is a natural fiber obtained from the fruit of cotton plant. Yes. So first statement is incorrect. Wool is not obtained not by killing the animals. X is a process by which water vapors turn into tiny droplets of water upon cooling, forming clouds and dew. That the process is condensation. Rina is feeling tired and weak. Her doctor suggested that she needs more iron in her diet. What should Rina eat to increase her iron intake? Carrots and tomatoes. It will give her more vitamin. Spinach and jaggery is rich in iron, so option B. Which of the following statements are correct? Solar energy is derived from the sun and is used by the plant for photosynthesis. Yes. Chemical energy is stored in fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. Yes. Mechanical energy is the energy possessed by object due to its position. No. Wind energy is converted into electrical energy using wind turbines. Yes. First, second, and fourth statements are correct. Option A. Refer the picture internal structure of Earth and select the correct option. For X, it is the thinnest layer of the Earth. No. It is made up of molten iron and nickel. No. X extends from base of crust to outer core. Yes, it's the correct statement. Option C. Question number 29. Strike out every alternate letter starting from first one and select the option that gives the name of the planet with the longest orbital period around the sun. It's B. Neptune. Read the given statement. X is the only organ system which comprises of different sets of organs in male and female individuals. Its reproductive system. It is different in both male and female. Other systems are same in the male and female. Now let's start Achiever section. Refer the given classification and identify X, Y, and Z. Traditional clothes of different states. Kashmir, Firan, Chaniya Choli is famous in Gujarat. In Maharashtra, Nawari Sadi and Hindu is famous in Kerala. So it's option B. Study the given word grid carefully. Which of the following are not hidden in the given word grid? It is a part of digestive system that does not contain any digestive juice. It's esophagus. It is given in the grid. It is a yellow bone-like material found beneath the enamel. It's dentine. It is also given. It is a nutrient found in pulses, fish and eggs. It's protein, but it is not given. It is a type of teeth used for crushing and grinding the food. It's molars. It is given. It is cooking method by which biscuits are made. It's baking, but it is not given. So 3 and 5 is not given in the grid. Option B. Question number 33. Refer the Venn diagram and select the correct option regarding P and Q. P is a simple machine made up of two inclined planes that meet to form a sharp edge. And Q is a simple machine made up of an inclined plane wrapped around a rod. Q is used to join materials together. Yes. P is used to split or cut large pieces of wood, because P is a some knife or saw. So it is correct. So both A and B are the correct statement. 34. Read the statement and select the correct option. Process by which impurities in the liquid settle down on their old is called sedimentation. Mixture of water and acetone is separated by distillation. Solubility of gases dash with increase in temperature. Increases with the temperature. The interparticle space in dash is minimum in solid. Dash is a unit of mass, gram. So option B. Question number 35. Match the 1 with 2. Mercury is the smallest planet. Venus is the hottest and brightest planet. Saturn has rings around it. Mars is known as red planet, and it also has two moons. So option A. In this way, class 4 set C NSO paper of this series explained. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.